Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing an install of this traction control button on this 2017 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 liter Wolfsburg edition. So the kit itself includes a few crimp cable things, the cable and harness itself, and the actual button. This was purchased from Eurosport Tuning, and I think ECS Tuning also distributes these. So this is all going to be plugged in into the car. We're going to be starting back here in the back of the engine. No engine cover on this particular one, and that's what we're looking for, the ABS controller. Right in here, we're going to unclick that after I feed through the cable through the firewall and back there, and we'll connect the cables. Please stand by. Okay, so underneath the glove box here, we've got this blower right here, and then behind it, you'll notice that there is right up in here. There we can plug through the firewall. You'll see that there's a loom already running through there. There's a firewall there that we could plug through to get to the engine bay, and that's where we're gonna connect the wires through to the ABS module. All right, so we fed through the cable under the through the firewall. You'll see there it actually goes through the grommet that this ABS connector module connects to. Just used an old coat hanger and taped the cable to it. Now we're going to disconnect the ABS controller here and start doing the wiring there. Right, so on the 8th connector, you remove the white plug thingy, and then this bad boy can now plug. Where is it? Get it in the shot here. This bad boy can plug into, it's hard to see, can you hold that for me? This will now plug into it. We're going to go ahead and do that now. So you will hear an audible click when you've gone far enough. Alright, so once you've got the center piece popped off, you're going to have to get around it. There's a bunch of clips all around here that hold it in place real tight. You're going to want to get in here with your T20 Torx and take off that bad boy and the other one on the other side. See you soon. Oh, did I film that? Okay guys, here's what not to do. Do not get your Torx bit lost deep in there. Not fun. So the start button power cables, loom, disconnected here. The traction control button wires are fed through the back. We're going to be cracking open some of these cap connectors and connecting to the power cables, and then the traction control button should get some cables. Then we clean up this mess and we're pretty much good to go for the Vagocom cable. So the cables were crimped and then connected. As you can see, the traction control light is on. Where's my hand? You can see that that's on. So that means it's working. It's getting some power because we tapped into the power lines. Now we're just going to clean this up, close this all out. I've got to get a nice deep clean of this car anyway. So T20 Torx screw goes back on, and we're going to tidy up. And then we'll show you Vagocom stuff. All the way. All right, we're plugged in. We're going to be doing the Vagocom cable stuff now. All right, so we're running the Vagocom cable, and we're going to be updating the computer software shortly. All right, guys, so we're finally here, and we have successfully coded. That took quite a long time to code it, to be honest with you. That was the major issue. But single press gives us a traction control off. I'm going to turn that back off. And then a long press, and we get the stabilization control is deactivated. Now we can do some sick wheelie burnouts. All right, thanks for watching.